Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install MX Linux 23.4 on VMware Workstation. First go to MX Linux official website, that is mxlinux.org, to download. Click on download. See here, at the time of making this video we have the XFCE, KDE, Flex. Okay, so we can download by going to, see, we have direct repo, mirrors and torrent. Okay, so click on torrents. See here we have the 32-bit and 64-bit. Okay, and KDE version is also there. So click on MX23 64-bit. See, torrent link downloaded. Go to downloads. See here we have the MX23.4 ISO torrent. Click on it. Click on add. Go to torrents. See, download started. I am pausing this one. So this is the way to download. I have already downloaded. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. If you want to install VMware Workstation on your machine, then there is a link in the video description to download and install VMware Workstation for free on Windows or Linux operating systems. Or you can search for my YouTube channel, how to download and install VMware Workstation on Windows or Linux. Open VMware Workstation Pro. Click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Click on next. Select the downloaded ISO file. Browse. See here we have the MX23.4 ISO file. Click on open. Click on next. Select the Linux. See here in the list we don't have MX Linux. Select version as Debian 12. Then click on next. Then provide the name. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. Select the path where you have the enough space. Click on OK. Click on next. I am giving hard disk size as 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, by default memory has selected 2 gigabytes. So I am going to increase it to 4 gigabytes. Then click on close. Click on finish. If you are okay with all the settings, then we have to click on power on this virtual machine, or if you want to edit, right click and select the settings, or click on edit virtual machine settings, or select this and click on VM and select the settings. All three options are same. So if you are okay with all the settings, click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first option, that is MX23.x64. Hit enter. See, this is for trial purpose, but if you want to install permanently, we have to click on install MX Linux or click on this installer. Both are same. So install MX Linux. Click on next. See, customize disk layout or regular install using entire disk. So I am going with the first one. So click on next. Format and use entire disk and click on start. See, this is the computer name. If you want to change, you can change, and if you have any domain name, you can provide here. And okay, I don't have anything, so I am going with the default. So click on next. Local settings I am going with the same. Time zone also I am not going to change anything. Then click, and this is the format. Okay, it is up to you. So I am going with next. Defaults. Now we have to create user. So I am giving username as R2 schools. Then provide the password for this user. Then root account. So I am going to set the password for root account. Auto login now. So click on next. See, installation is already in progress. So wait until this installation progress completes. See here, installation complete and automatically reboots. The installer is closed. So I want to reboot. So keep the checkbox. Once we click on finish, it automatically restarts. So click on finish. See here the message. Please remove the disk and close the tray and press enter to continue. So we have to remove the installation media, that is ISO file. So click on settings, then go to CD DVD, then unselect these two check boxes. Okay, then click on OK, then hit enter. Now provide the password, hit enter. Installation is completed. Close this one. See, before we were having the install MX Linux. Here also we have the installer icon. Now those are gone. Close this one. Click on start or application menu. Then search for terminal. Click on terminal emulator. Now verify the IP of this machine. IF config. Hit enter. See, it is not installed, so install it, or you can get the IP address by running the command IP-addr. Hit enter. See, this is the IP of this machine. Okay. So the first step after connecting to MX Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update and upgrade. Sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. See, this may take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install VMware Linux 23.4 on VMware Workstation. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.